Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Network series. So guys, in our previous videos, we have seen transport layer services. We have discussed so many services that a transport layer provide, right? The three controls we have discussed: flow control, error control, and congestion control, right? So in this video, we will be studying about connectionless and connection-oriented services. They are also provided by network layer, right? There also we have discussed about these services, right? But in network layer and in transport layer, these two are very different. In network layer, we are concerned with the path they follow, right? So connectionless in network layer means the datagram follow different path to reach the destination, right? But here connectionless means independency of packets, and connection oriented means dependency between packets. Okay. So here we are concerned with the packets. So here connectionless means independency between packets and connection oriented means dependency between packets. Okay, so let's discuss first connectionless in detail. Okay, so connectionless means the packets are independent of one method. Let's see this diagram. This is a client, this is the application layer. It sends a message, right? It sends message 0, 1, and 2 to the transport layer. Okay. So application layer sends different messages to transport layer. What transport layer do? It take this message, the chunks of message, and encapsulate it in the form of packet, right? Add the transport layer head and all. Encapsulation is done. Then sends those packets to the receiver, right? It sends, the packets are not numbered, right? So if message 0 arrive, message 1, message 2 arrive, right? It encapsulates all the packets, packet number 0, packet number 1, packet number 2. All the three packets may arrive out of order, right? Because they are not connected. There is no dependency between the packets. All the three packets are different. So it sends 0 packet, 1 packet, 2 packet. First can arrive 0, first, second packet can arrive 0, 1 packet can arrive, 0 packet can arrive. So here message 2 delivered out of order, like first message 0 arrived, then message 2, then message 1. So message 2 should be delivered after message 1, right? So here message 2 is delivered out of order. So there is no order of messages. The message chunks, all the packets are not connected. Like we have 3 messages, right? They should be in order. Like first we can send packet number 0, then packet 1, then packet 2. In simple, we have to do like this, right? But in connectionless, there is no dependency between that packets. Can packet 3 can arrive first, packet 2 can arrive first, 0, 1, any packet can arrive anytime. Okay, so there is no order. They can arrive out of order. It is called connectionless service. Okay, the packets are independent of one another. Okay, now there is disadvantage also of connectionless. If the packet are lost, if packet number 2 is lost, now there is no dependency, right? Packets are not numbered. So the receiver will not be able to guess or know that which packet is lost. If one packet is lost or not, receiver will not know this information, right? So this is the disadvantage of using connectionless. And the no numbering out of order, it may arrive out of order. There is no numbering of packets. If one packet is lost or not received, the receiver will not be able to know which packet is lost, right? So this is a disadvantage, and we cannot implement any of the control in this connectionless service, like flow control, error control, or congestion. Neither of the three can be implemented in connectionless service. Okay, so let's now discuss second type of service, that is connection oriented. Connection oriented, what do we have? We have dependency between packets, right? Dependency between packets. So in connection oriented means it has 3 steps. First, connection oriented, it can send message. First, it have to build a connection. Build connection first. Then data transfer can happen. Data exchange, data transfer. Then connection is teared down. So this is the 3 steps. What happened? This is a sender, this is a receiver. First, sender makes a connection. It sends a connection request to receiver and receiver accepts a connection. The first step is it's build a connection between the sender and the receiver. Okay. Then the package transfer will take place. Okay. Then when all the packets are transferred, the connection is teared down. Okay. So connection is teared down. So these are the three steps in connection oriented. Here packets are always arrived in order. Okay, because connection is built now. So now first packet 0 will arrive, then packet 1, then packet 2. Okay, so these are the two types of services that a transport layer provide. Connectionless means independency between packets. Packet can arrive out of order. Okay, and connection oriented, should be a dependency between packets. First connection is built, then the data transfer happen, and then after the connection, we have to tear down the connection. Okay, so these are the two services. So now we have discussed all the types of services that a transport layer provide. Okay, so now from next video, we will be starting with transport layer protocols. We will discuss four important type of transport layer protocols. They are unidirectional. Then we will see how we can make that in bidirectional. Both the we are sending data flow from sender to receiver only, right? So bidirectional can make the data transfer from one end to another and from another end to one end also. Means sender and receiver to sender also. Okay. So this we will discuss from our next video. Okay. So thank you.